So I've been thinking about making a reed diffuser, and I think this empty bottle would be perfect. However, when I remove this top, it's just not as cute. So I'm thinking about, now that it's empty, trying to remove these parts so I can have this cute top with like the hole in the middle. The glass part came right off, but this part, not so much. So I might use scissors to cut it if pulling doesn't do the trick. All right, I think it'll be a cute diffuser. Okay, now I've got some reed diffuser oil. Reed diffuser. So I'm going to try to use this pretty bottle to make one. It smells pretty good. This is Lovely Peony. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to put the top back on. It's pretty full. Alright, I got 8 reed diffusers. Okay, here's the final look. So after a day, I'm gonna flip the reed diffusers, and then every few days or something you flip them so that it smells good. I also want to point out that to get even the 6 diffusers to fit, I had to remove whatever this is, this rubber thing in the middle. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching.